Hey guys, this is Apple Gamer 24/7. I'm here to give you guys my full review and impressions of the Mac App Store. After playing around with it for a day or so, I just want to give you guys my full review. So basically, how you get the Mac App Store is if you download Mac OS version 10.6.6 from Software Update on Macs. It only works with Snow Leopard users, so if you have Leopard, you gotta have to upgrade. If you have Tiger, you definitely got to upgrade by now. But usually, it only works with 10.6.6.6, and it will also come bundled with Mac OS 10 Lion 10.7 when it comes out over the summer. So the app icon for it is down here. It's basically like the iTunes 10 icon. It's glossy, it's an orb, and it has a little white border around it. And it's got the traditional App Store A that everybody's used to. And when you get from the dock, it's called App Store. So once you open it up, it's actually pretty fast. It also depends on your internet connection. So after you get loaded up, you get some banners of some applications that are popular. Say like this is the iLife 11. You got some ones like Pixelmator, iWork 11. I think that's iWork 11, I believe. And Delicious Library 2. I think that's a game. And you can just scroll through these using your mouse. And you can pick one. And there's some new in the ride games. Angry Birds is here for those that are wondering. So yeah, and you also got a free and paid section, as you can see here, the top paid section, and here is the free section. So when the App Store first came out, it really had a pretty nice deals going on. It also had Aperture 3 for $20. So if you want to pick that up, it's usually $80. Now you can get it for $20 on the Mac App Store. So the way you install a program on the Mac App Store, I'm just going to go to the free section. I'm not going to keep this. I'm just going to delete it when this video is over, just to demonstrate. So say I want to get Mashable for the Mac. So I just click on free, type in my iTunes password. And once you type in that password, the application springs from the Mac App Store into your dock, and starts installing using this little blue bar that you're familiar with iOS. So once you open up, it's just a traditional application for the Mac. So if I wanted to go into Mashable and read something on technology, something on tech company used to watch in 2011, and hear something about the iPad I watch, I can just read it from the desktop without opening the internet browser. So once you download an application, it's automatically on your Mac. You don't have to go into any applications folder or any website to download. Now Apple is taking the Android approach to this. You can also buy applications from the Mac App Store, but also you can download applications that are on the developer's website. Apps like Transmission, VLC are not on the Mac App Store due to the Mac App Store's limitations and regulations for the purchases. So going over the interface, it's pretty simple of the Mac App Store. Now you get your traffic light icons here. You got your back and forward buttons, and you get your featured, your top charts, your categories, your purchases, all the purchases you have. And if you deleted an app, say you got an error computer, or you just deleted the app because it was terrible, you can install it right from here again. You don't have to pay any credit. And updates. So any updates that any developers put here will be added. So my overall impressions of the Mac App Store, I think it's phenomenal. I think it's good. I think this could change the way we download software in the coming years, because app stores have really evolved since the iPhone. I think after Apple has done this, I think companies like Google and maybe Microsoft will come out with their own app stores, just like Apple did. The one downside I do see is that there's not too many applications right off the bat. I would think Apple would have a lot more. I think there's about 1,000 applications in the App Store, so there's not really a lot. The programs that I would like to see in there is Final Cut Express. If they can fit the Final Cut Studio Suite for the $9.99, if you do want to pay the $1,000, there should be a way to download it. If they want to give you a torrent link, or if they want to just give you each individual package after you delete one, it downloads. After you download Final Cut Pro, then you get color, motion, and then this and that and the other thing. So I think that should be good. And then there's also missing some really key applications like ScreenFlow's on there, iTV's on there, and I don't think any of the Adobe applications are going to be on there. So things to look out for in the coming years. I think Apple should improve on the App Store as time goes on. But anyway, guys, that was just my opinions of the App Store. I think it deserves a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.